Hey up, shaggers, well welcome back to the channel. Now it's a Monday morning and it's a completely typical Monday morning because nothing, absolutely nothing has gone right this morning. So I had to pull two kids apart this morning just before I left because they were both scrapping. I didn't think the scrapping stage was going to be, well, I didn't think it was going to be coming about for a good few years yet, but no, well, I mean, my little boy, he's only 9 months, but my God, he's got the anger of, I don't know, he's got the anger of a parking attendant, you know what I mean? Well, he just slaps me little 4-year-old girl about, and he's a little prick. I love him dearly, but my God, is he a little prick. But anyway, so I left that, I got to work, the alarm was going off at me. Hold that thought. That's a fucking peacock. Now, I've done jobs near peacocks before, and again, they're vicious little arseholes. I had one proper peck in my ears a good few years ago, but this one might be tame. They're not residents to England anyway, are they? Mind you, fucking half of England isn't residents to England, are they? But I'm going to stop my mouth now before I get myself into trouble. John, shut up. We're in the intro of this video. Stop upsetting people already. Anyway, I got to work. We'd had a power cut. Now, since the power cut, I don't know how it's happened, but we've got these big shutter doors. And they've somehow swapped polarities during said power cut. So you go to open the door this morning and it didn't. It tried to shut it. In which case it sounded like suppressing fire in the depot this morning. It was anyway, yeah, it's fucking snapped one motor clean off all the studs. So that's fucked. And then the other one, the door just won't line up. So yeah, it's seen happier days. But I've left that. That's someone else's problem for the time being. We'll go and catch up with that in a bit. But anyway, we may as well crack on with today's, haven't we? So I know I've got a puncher to have a look at here. I want to see if this peacock comes and helps me. Big old bloody concrete way that is, isn't it? But anyway, yeah, that one. So as you can see, it's about as flat as the spirits at a North Korean holiday camp, isn't it? Yeah, so we have got a tube in at the minute, so yeah, so we'll fire some wind in that, we'll see what that's saying, and yeah, we'll do accordingly. Do you know what, it's quite nice to be back out on the van. I was a little bit steadier last week, the depot's been busy, like flat out in fact, it's just out and about, it's just died off a little bit, but it feels nice to be back out on the van today. Being left alone, left to my own devices, causing shit for myself, is what we're good at though, isn't it? Anyway, I hope you lot are all alright. I've not got vast amounts to report, to be honest. No, what's been going on? I was at Oasis last week. Oh my God, what an absolute... I'm still there, in my own head, I'm still there. What a bloody gig. I've been loads of gigs before. I've seen both Liam and Noel individually, but I've obviously never seen them both together. But my God, I was waiting for this. I've been hoping this day would come all my life, and it came last Friday. And I've just never been in a place where I've just felt so happy and so at home. It was unreal. Honest to God, it was absolutely unreal. So they just need to get Nebworth sorted now, and I'll sell me left bollock to get a ticket to that as well. I don't know how I managed to get tickets to this. Well, I do know how. It's because my mum is an absolute bloody legend. So I know she watches these. So Mum, thank you, and Dad, thank you so much again. Honestly, you don't know how much it meant to me, but it was unreal, man. I just want to be back, and I know nothing's going to compare to that for a good while, so you get that sinking feeling, didn't you? But anyway, tyres are almost as exciting, aren't they? So yeah, we'll have a look at this punchy. Ah, that's tight. Too bloody tight. His fingers haven't got the grip. I can see, yeah. I reckon he's just sizing me up as we speak. He's just deciding which ear looks tasty to come and nibble when I'm trying to crack on her. That's biblically tight, that is. Bloody fine to let go. Must have had about 400 newtons of torque behind that little bastard. Right, so that's flat. Absolutely no windy melodies coming from that one, was there? So no, that's something's gone quite drastically wrong with this one, you'd say. Right, so we'll get a jack under that quickly before it loses all of his air and ends up sitting on his arse again. Yeah, it's not some of the finest jacking work, but we've got a good few mil of contact here, haven't we? Yeah, that's perfectly safe enough for a Monday morning, that is. Right, well, knock this noisy bastard off. Right, we'll start cracking on with this one. Well, that's just confused the life out of me, that has. So that tube was a bit stuck in there, but that's not really that strange. So I've peeled it off. It's come off like that. So it almost looks like I've just peeled one of the patches off the tube, but it's there. So initially I thought I'd transferred the patch from the tube onto the tyre, but I think they've been having a go at this themselves and they've put a tube patch on the inside to try and cover up whatever that bollocks was underneath that. We'll see what's going on for the tube and see where that's leaking. They aren't anywhere near thick enough to start doing sidewalls of tyres. So it might be that that's just gone weak and has ended up just creasing up and ended up pinching tube. But anyway, there's no point of guessing when I've got a compressor and means of finding out, is there? So we may as well just do that, haven't we, rather than playing guess who. Well, I will get this tube blown up, but within the space of 5 minutes I've managed to lose me fast flow. So yeah, no, it's going to be one of them bloody Mondays today, isn't it? I've already want to go home and have a beer. And it's 11:05. So not the worst time I've had a beer before, but still frowned upon on a working Monday, I reckon. I think my lady would probably start to ask questions if I just rocked up and started cracking tins at this time. I think she, in fact no, she'd probably know enough to just fucking leave me to it and just leave me alone. She's pretty good like that, bless her. But anyway, yeah, no, I need to find that, don't I? Fuck knows. I reckon that looks like it could have something to do with it. So that's obviously why it looks about as ready for work as a Scouts Council estate. But why it's done it, so if you're up there, something's been in. Now, it's not made that much of a mess on the back, but there is definitely a hole there, so yeah, we'll get a little patch over that hole. We'll get that all patched up, and we'll leave, and it'll be like a new one. Do you know what I mean? They're going to come back to this and think, fucking hell, he's put a new tyre in. I'll be like, no, he haven't. I've just repaired it. They probably won't know. They'll probably think, yeah, he's done his job. Right, so that's tube all patched up, so I put a bit of talc on there, and like I said at the beginning, when I was struggling to get that tube out because it's stuck, all that does, it just stops it from doing that. So that one's all out. We've just got you're a little bugger. So it won't have to be a massive patch because it's only a small little hole. Yeah, so it won't have to be anything major, so I reckon something like that. I'm joking, matey. Right, yeah, so we use one of them, Red 110. And it's not very big, but it should just be big enough to go on nicely. But you know what? I might just whip this tyre off, you know. I think it's going to be a bit easy to repair, isn't it? There we go. So we can see a bit better now. I'll get that buff down, we'll get a patch stuck on. All patched up, so we're going to build back up and, well, touch wood, with a bit of a luck, it'll be a bit more airtight than when I first got here. Do you know what, I've been smelling something the whole job and it all of a sudden makes sense. That is fucking rotten. Now, I've done an aerator of shit before and, yeah, well, I've just come across dog shit and that's pretty much top of my aerator. I honestly, no word of a lie, I think I'd rather work in human shit than I would dog shit. It fucking stinks. Look at that as well. Fucking Irish wolfhounds dropped that big bastard off, hasn't it? Fuck me. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll roll you round to the bottom so I don't put my elbow in it. I think I've got away with touching it so far. But yeah, no, that fucking stinks, that does. Right, well there's that one. That all seems all good. Nothing leaking from there. So you go as far as saying that looks like a successful mission. So we'll go back to the depot now. It'll not be far off snap time, to be honest with you, so probably going to get some dinner. Well, that peacock never come and said hello, did it? I'm a bit disappointed with that. I thought I was going to have a friend with that one, but no. He must have heard me slagging off as one of his family members and thought, fuck that, he's a prick. We'll go and get back. I'm bloody tated, I am. I'm really not feeling it today, but anyway, we'll go and get back to the depot. Yeah, at least it's slightly better temperature today. We've had a shitload of rain over the last weekend. It's not stopped really from Saturday through Sunday, and then this morning it's been hammering it down as well, but we bloody needed it. It was so hot last week. But anyway, I'll stop chatting shit and we'll go and see what else is waiting for me. Right then, shaggers, dinner time. So today I've decided to go for the humble cheeseburger puff. Now, as you can see, I've already made a start on this, and it's an experience. I haven't got much more to say than it's an experience, to be honest. It's not great. Yeah, it's not great. Normally I get sausage rolls from this place and they're fucking bang on, but yeah. So anyway, yeah, that's filling a hole. It's also absolutely filling my cab up with pastry. It looks like behind Greg's counter here, it does. So yeah, anyway, now I've finished that, I think we best wash it down with something. Now, with me working outside in the sun, and with the summers being as biblically bloody hot as they are at the minute, right, it's so important to be hydrated. There's nothing worse than being dehydrated. In fact, I did have a joke about being dehydrated, but it seemed to dry up. So anyway, that's where this comes into play. So we've got new Holy Hydration. Now, they've brought 3 new flavours out. So we've got Passion Fruit, we've got Orange, and we've got Multivitamin. Now, that Multivitamin one is absolutely amazing. So I've always struggled, obviously, drinking water out in the field. I've never been able to manage to stay hydrated. I've always managed to drink energy drinks, and I've always managed to drink beer, but they're no good for you. Now, that's no longer a problem, because this Holy has got me taking on more water than the bloody Belgrano. So it's dead easy to do. All you need is 500 ml of water, and then a scoop of your flavour of choice. I'm going for the multivitamin, because that's my absolute favourite at the minute. Give that more of a vigorous shake than a dog with a testing shit, and then you're left with a bloody lovely drink. As I say, I've never been able to take on as much water as I have before, but I promise you, I'm drinking that much now. I'm pissing like a bloody racehorse. Now, you know the score. If you want to go and have a look, have a look. Now, I would not be advertising it if it was something that I wasn't using every day or something I couldn't get behind. I've had loads of companies come to me from either gambling or insurance, and I've just told them bollocks, because I don't agree with it. I don't agree with trying to mislead my my fan base. But this, I can fully get behind, and I actually drink it every day. I'll put my link in. I'll put my code below as well, so we'll make it a little bit cheaper if you want to have a look. So we're about to go off to another job now. Now, it's a 616, which sounds suspiciously like a scraper tractor, and with the amount of rain we've just had, I think it's probably going to be a sloppy scraper tractor. So it was dog shit this morning, and now it's going to be cow shit, but I'd rather cow shit, so I'll stop moaning. Anyway, we'll go and have a look, shall we? So we're here, and look at the fucking state of the... Mate, I can't bloody see even. So there's a scraper. I think I might give this one 5 minutes before I venture out in it. It's absolutely torrential, mate. Yeah, that one. But fuck this, I'm sitting inside for a minute. I'm all fuck working in that. My hourly rate does not at all compare to working in that bollocks. The bloody state of that, eh? Ah, well, it's just about slowing down, but the thunder started to turn up as well. So yeah, best thing to do is let's go and wave some metal levers around while it's pissing it down with rain and lightning. Just need to settle off a little bit more, doesn't it, eh? That was a bloody fair old downpour though, that. I know we needed rain, but fuck me, that's taking the piss. Big lightning then. It's not slowing down much, is it? I might have to stop being such a bitch soon and just dab in, but I could really do without getting sodden, and it's far too hot to be wearing bloody waterproofs, because we end up getting just as wet with bloody sweat then, and I'd rather get a bit soggy with rain rather than keeling over and overeating. Well, I've been waiting for 10 minutes now and it's just not letting up, so I'm gonna have to dab in. I've got too much bloody work just to sit here. In fact, it's picking up again. But yeah, now I'm gonna have to bloody dab in, aren't I? Right, so we're sorted, and I'm absolutely bloody soaked. My hat's taking brunt of it. I've just seen some suspicious liquid leaking from there. That it's not the colour you'd think it should be. That's like yellow. Let's pop this one back on. Yeah, now I'm not really that keen on diving in and figuring out what that is leaking, because, well, it isn't just water and it's suspiciously yellow. So I think it's just a selection of dried piss and shit. So yeah, it's probably due a wash this out, really. I've not had this one even long. Someone mentioned in one of my comments about someone supplying me hats. And that is a bloody sterling idea. If there's anyone that's watching that supplies hats and they want me to advertise for him, I'm your boy, because I get through enough of them. I can't promise there'll be much cop by the time I take them off, but yeah, I'll advertise the shit out of them, I will. Anyway, so that's that one all sorted. So I'll go and drop my ticket off in cab, and then I'll go and find somewhere else to go. It's just stopped raining. Would you bloody believe it? As I've fucking finished the job. Just stopped. You watch, another 5 minutes, I bet it'll be bloody blue skies and sunshine. But anyway, we've done it. Right, so we'll call it a day there. I've just about clocked off, so yeah, home time now. So thank you all very much for watching. Now, if you've not already, if you could hit that subscribe button, it just means it helps me out loads, basically. So it'd be much appreciated if you did. But other than that, thanks very much for watching again, and I'll see you on the next one then, Shaggers.